Here's Mackenzie trying to crawl.
And talking up a storm.
Mackenzie. Come here. Come here. Look at her trying to crawl.
You wanna go, Daddy? Okay.
Mommy's gonna give her some help by giving her something to push off of. She's getting frustrated because she wants to move. Whoa, easy there.
You can do it.
Mackenzie. Come here. Come to Daddy. She's getting mad because she's not moving enough. Oh. Whoa, to the edge of the bed. Too far. Time to hit the brakes. Okay.